Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 3029th installment of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And of course, that would be me. Hey, traders, welcome. Remember the risks behind trading before we get started. Risky. Never trade any assets at all without putting your protective stop in first before you get long or short. Stop goes in, then get into position. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you take that recommendation and run with it. What are we looking at, traders? This is for trading on Thursday, Feb 11th, 2026. And here's what we've got. Yesterday, at the close, the Omni waved us off and said stop buying. Today at the close, the Omni went neutral. Maybe it's turning back down. Now look at the fact that we went back into this apex or above this green line, turned around, went back down and settled below, and the Omni went neutral. So maybe we're going to start to turn again here, kids. We'll find out. Omni being neutral allows me to do with that whatever I please. The gloves are off, right? I get to buy, I get to sell, I get to do whatever I want. So there could be an Oscarism trade coming at us for Thursday. We'll see. But I just wanted to show you that the Omni was bullish. Then said Oscar, no, back off. And now it's gone neutral. So it's bullish, neutral. Is it going to turn? We'll find out within a day. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. We will back off unless we do an Oscarism trade in the indices. And then we've got something really interesting. Look at this, traders. The Omni trading token, as we discussed, we're killing it. You guys are killing it as a crowd. Let me show you what you're doing. I've said to you, this is our Omni token. I've said to you, we're at a point there's nothing left but a few outdoor Omniacs or outsiders. The rest of the traders who hold our token are Omniacs only, and they're not looking to sell, right? And I said, if anyone sells, come in and buy. And look, you see almost all buying, right? Anytime someone wants to sell out, Omniacs around the world, come in and take them from them. So you probably shouldn't get out, traders. That's what I'm telling you. If you've been in for a while, stay in. We're just getting warmed up on this Omni token. Look at it. Bull flag into bull flag, into bull flag, into bull flag, into serious breakout. And I've got a lot of work I've done. I just hired I hired 4 influencers in the last few days, which will make the awareness greater of our coin and of the Omni Trading Academy itself. I'm discussing, or at least I'm interviewing another one this weekend. I've got a bunch of Omniacs around the world that are just getting in, and now guess what? You no longer have to go to Coinbase Wallet. You can buy the Omni Trading token directly on Coinbase. You don't have to worry about Coinbase Wallet anymore. So go right to Coinbase and buy our token. Right below this video, by the way, I will leave the address. If you go to Coinbase, there may be imposter Omni coins. Use the address below this video. It's the Omni token address to search on Coinbase and go buy your Omni tokens. But I'm telling you, kids, this is going up big time. Buy your tokens before you miss your opportunity. But one of the most important things about tonight's video is going to be this. If I can find my own link. Where is it? Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's here. We're doing a live webinar on Monday, this Monday at 6 p.m. live webinar. It is absolutely free to you. Click, once again, there's a link below this video for the free live webinar. Click that link. Make sure you come to the webinar. I will be presenting at 6 p.m. on Monday. It's absolutely free to you, but you've got to click the link below this video and register. Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, I will be hosting a webinar, and I will come up with a bunch of great stuff on these charts to help us decide what's going to happen in the near future. Make sure you do that. Let's go back to this. And I wanted to remind you, the Omni went neutral. Let's see what we're going to get out of the indices, even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, the gamut. And we'll get back together on that tomorrow after the close and see what's going to happen. But I smell an Oscarism trade coming, kids. I'd be watching my flash updates. Then there's this. Remember that once you're in a trade, you do not panic, you do not average, you do not change your stops. We put a stop in for a reason, to protect us when we're wrong and knock us out of the market. Stops us from losing. It's a stop. If you put your stops in, you are safe. Once you put them in, you say this to yourselves instead of making changes for no reason, and that is stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, please be safe out there. Put your stops in first. Get your Omni tokens and make sure you sign up for the webinar. If you filled out an OmniCamp application for Amsterdam, you'll be getting calls on Thursday. Make sure you're there in Amsterdam to accept the phone calls from Oscar. Have a great trading day, Omniacs. Thank you for all.